students. Today we are going to see how to roll henna cone. For that we will need first of all a scale to measure the size of the cellophane sheets. Then we will need a cellophane sheets. I have already cutted cellophane sheets for this, and then we will need a sellotape to fix the roll, and then we will need again a scissor to cut the cellophane sheets, and then to cut the sellotapes to connect them together. Now we will see what should be the size of the cellophane sheets to cut. Already I have cutted them, so I'll just show you the size. So in the width it should be of a 5 inches, and in the length it should be of a 7, like 5-7 should be the measurement for this, and that's why the cones becomes a very pencil size and they look very beautiful and tiny one. In order to prepare the pencil cones for the bridals, we do this. Now I have taken a sheet already with me, for which I'll be using to make a cone. So instead of taking the middle center, I'll take a 70 and 30 proportion, and on the part of this I will make rolling. I have to roll this part in the inside slowly and holding here very lightly, no much tight, lightly rolling this parts inside, and when I'm at near to the sharp point, I'll just hold it lightly and check the hole which should be eye rolled. I'll just show you how should it would be, how it should be. Now you can see the hole size. If just a second, you'll get to see the whole size. Oh, it's not that perfect. We need to recheck it, and then we have to make it proper. So now if I have to show you, then you can see the whole size where the hand is going passes. This is how we have to roll the cones, and to fix it we will use a pre-cutted sellotape sheets, sellotape cuts, which is this much small. I'll use it on the corner of this and then roll it in the curve so that the tip is there and the cone is ready. This we have connected on the downside. Now on the upside of this corner also we will connect it, so that no any henna paste will leak from the cone. So here in the corner I have attached it. And one more important part when we prepare the cones, that we have to keep in mind the sharp tip. The tip should be like a sharp one, and it should have a very small hole already, so that whatever henna you fill in this, that comes out with good flow. So look at me, I'll prepare now some of the cones. Just look how I roll them and how I make the tips more sharpened with a hole, and adding sellotapes to them. On the corner, adding sellotape. One more important part I should share with all of you is, when we add this point sellotape, we have to keep at least a 1 finger gap in the tip and the sellotape. That's because of, if the sellotape is near to the tip of the cone, then it might have a chances to damage a cone, to damage the tip of that cone. Okay, so see how I'm rolling them. Just look at the movements of the hands and the tip what we prepare here. You have to readjust it. That you will learn after seeing these videos. And as we have announced in our previous coaching video, that we will be sharing so many designings from basic, like it will be a full detailed basic class on our YouTube channel. So guys, wait a second. If you have not subscribed our YouTube channel, then please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel, because if you have not done this, you will not get any type of notification and you will not get any updates of our new video, in which we promise you to share every day something new. So as soon as you get this video to see, that might be a too late, or the video is being so viral, and you must go to the channel and check for all next upcoming or already uploaded videos, where we have shared lots of new techniques of designings and photography as well. So now you can see guys, I have already prepared some of the cones while speaking with you, and one more I'm preparing here. When we roll the cones without pin, it's called as a cone rolling with eyes, like a eye rolling it is called. So eye rolling is actually a benefiting thing, because you get a good tip of the cone without using any type of pins. Okay, so I would be very happy if you guys will share your reviews, your feedback towards this video, how you feel it, and what you would like to see in our next upcoming videos. Definitely we will try to take those elements in the next classes. Please leave your comments, please leave your points, your suggestions in the comments below to the video. And I must say, if still you have not subscribed this channel, please go to the bell icon and subscribe the channel, and just have a look to the classes video playlist, where you will get to see lots of new designing. Some of the designs you might have gone through, you might have tried yourself. Some of the designings you might be not aware of the real and the technically right way to draw some designings. So yeah, you have to be updated with the going trends in the world, and yeah, why not in the mehndi, why not in the henna, right? So these are our cones ready, which we can use for the bridals.